The iconic Volkswagen Beetle is making a remarkable comeback in 2025, and automotive enthusiasts around the world are buzzing with excitement. Once a symbol of post-war practicality, and later a cultural icon of the 1960s and 70s, the Beetle has evolved through several generations. But now in 2025, Volkswagen is reintroducing the Beetle with a bold new vision that merges its nostalgic charm with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. This isn't just a revival, it's a complete transformation that respects the past while embracing the future. The 2025 Beetle retains the distinctive silhouette that made it instantly recognizable for decades. The rounded fenders, curvy roofline, and compact proportions are all present, but they've been subtly modernized. The design language now feels more refined, blending retro aesthetics with the minimalist styling found in today's top EVs. LED lighting signatures front and rear add a futuristic touch, while flush door handles and clean body lines contribute to an aerodynamic profile. Despite its compact exterior, the new Beetle offers a surprisingly spacious interior thanks to the advantages of an electric vehicle platform. Underneath its nostalgic skin, the 2025 Beetle rides on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same modular electric architecture that underpins the ID.4 and ID. Buzz. This allows for a low center of gravity and optimal weight distribution, resulting in a fun and nimble driving experience. Depending on the configuration, the new Beetle will offer rear-wheel or all-wheel drive options, with battery choices that cater to different needs. Early reports suggest a range of approximately 250 to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on the trim. Fast charging capability is standard, allowing drivers to replenish most of the battery in under 30 minutes at compatible stations. Inside, the Beetle's cabin is where tradition and innovation really come together. There's a deliberate effort to honor the simplicity of the original models, but with all the modern comforts and connectivity expected in today's cars. The dashboard features a clean digital layout with a central infotainment touchscreen and a customizable driver display. The interface is intuitive, responsive, and supports over-the-air updates, ensuring the system remains fresh and secure. Sustainable materials play a big role in the interior design, with recycled fabrics, plant-based leathers, and eco-friendly plastics being used throughout. Volkswagen is also paying attention to the personalization options that help define previous Beetle generations. Owners will be able to choose from a wide array of exterior colors, some of which are inspired by historic Beetle palettes, and interior themes that allow for a more expressive or understated look. From vibrant, youthful schemes to more mature and sophisticated combinations, the 2025 Beetle aims to connect with a broad range of drivers, both old fans and a new generation discovering it for the first time. In terms of technology, the Beetle is packed with the latest driver assistance and safety features. Standard offerings include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Higher trims will also offer semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making commuting easier and safer. With Volkswagen's renewed focus on software development, the Beetle will also feature an enhanced voice assistant and deep smartphone integration, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Volkswagen's move to reintroduce the Beetle comes at a time when nostalgia and electrification are intersecting in fascinating ways. The company has already seen strong interest in vehicles like the ID. Buzz, which channels the spirit of the classic VW microbus into an electric future. The Beetle, with its rich heritage and mass appeal, is a natural candidate for this kind of reboot. But this isn't just a gimmick. The 2025 Beetle is designed to be a serious contender in the compact EV space, appealing not only to loyalists, but also to first-time EV buyers looking for something with personality. Production of the 2025 Beetle will take place at Volkswagen's expanded electric vehicle facilities with a focus on sustainability throughout the supply chain. The carmaker is aiming to keep the carbon footprint as low as possible, using green energy during manufacturing and sourcing materials responsibly. Pricing is expected to be competitive, starting around the mid-$30,000 range, with top-end trims reaching into the low $40,000s. This places the Beetle in a sweet spot, offering a unique blend of character, technology, and practicality without breaking the bank. With this reimagined Beetle, Volkswagen is sending a clear message. The future doesn't have to forget the past. The 2025 model embodies everything people loved about the original, while addressing the demands of modern driving. It's efficient, stylish, connected, and filled with character. Everything a Beetle should be, and more. Whether you're a long-time fan or simply someone who appreciates smart